They enjoy a lot. Kaldo. Sabi ni Michael. Kasi dati daw nagtatrabaho ako sa KFC, kaya daw magaling ako magluto ng chicken. Mama, you cook. Bones! Isabel, give me bones. Bones daw. Give drama. Hi guys! Good morning. So for today's video ay nakakaligo tayo. Kasi super lamig dito guys. And finally, umaaraw po siya. No? Ayan, umaaraw. So nakaligo tayo guys. This Isabel. Isabel did something in our sofa. Isabel is get siya the aqua. Because see, doesn't close the water properly, and Isabel didn't do on purpose. Isabel step on it, and you know, tinanggal ko yung sofa, pinaarawan ko. Buti na lang talaga may araw guys. So ngayon ay ano tayo, tawag dito, magluluto tayo ng fried chicken. Kasi nagre-request sila Asha and Michael na magluto ng chicken. Kasi nga, kahapon pumunta kami ng Lidl and nakakita sila ng chicken sa bucket. Anak mo, how much that one, the chicken in the bucket? 6.99, 7 euro. And it's only nuggets that one, no? And very little things. So sabi ko, magluluto na lang kami. See. So Asha is doing assignment, guys. Later I'm gonna do the other things first before that one. The other subject, you don't have?
Subject?
The other material. Asya, your nose, Asya. So, ayun na nga guys, no? Magluluto na tayo guys. So, binabrine ko na yung chicken na binili namin kahapon sa Lidl. And, kami lang dito kasi wala si Tony. So, ayun po yung ating binabrine na chicken guys. Ayan, binabad lang po natin yun ng garlic, peppers, and salty water. Napaka-salty na water. It's like para siyang dagat na talaga. And para, pag niluto natin yan guys, mag-juicy yan siya. Yan. Tapos nilagyan din natin ng paprika yan. So ngayon, i-drain na natin to guys and ipapat-dry natin. Tapos mag-ano na tayo ng pang-coating niya. Meron pala tayo dito pang-coating. Saan na ba yun? Meron ako dito yata eh. Ayan, meron akong crispy fry. May crispy fry tayo. Buti na lang nakabili ako nung nakaraan. So, ngayon, maglagay na tayo ng harina. So, ayun na siya guys. I think it's very hot na. So, ang gagawin lang natin is maglalagay tayo ng ayan. So, ibig sabihin ay ready na po siya. So, ito na yung ating chicken. May bulbul pa. So, as usual guys, ay ang harina na ginamit natin dito, yun yung gawin nating gravy kasi ano na siya, may lasa na siya ba. And ito na po yung ating chicken after 5 minutes. Tingnan mo. Basta mainit na mainit yung yung oil. Mabilis lang po siya maluto. So, ito na yung ating gravy, guys. So, laputin na lang natin yan. Wow!
A few moments later.
What do you want? Ami, sit, Ami. Your nose. Ay, agoy.
This is mine.
That's Asya daw. May Ami, dai. Pero hindi Ami. Isabel, want to eat Ami na. Ami na?
Mama.
Pachi Ami ha. Pachi Ami ha. Oh, yay. Can you charge my phone, anak? Hi, guys. Okay, Isabel is ready. Isabel is ready. Oh, this is the no, much better. Isabel, the legs. But there is another legs. One legs. So ito po siya guys. Aspita. Wow.
It's from the last year we don't eat this.
See. So we feel sorry na hindi nakakain si Tony ng ganito kasi sometimes Tony likes sometimes this one, you know. Michael want to do it like in the ano daw guys. Open the things. Wada Isabel. Wow, how juicy is this guys. Like I will show you. how juicy is the chicken. Ama? Very juicy. Isabel, no? Asya? They enjoy a lot. Oh. Caldo. Put inside there. Put inside there. I'm gonna give you rice. Kape? Sabi mo dala?
Yeah.
I'll give rice on Isabel. And we have also... Caldo. Isabel wants to rice.
It's coming down. Gracias. Bilo,
Wow! I'm gonna just eat like this, guys.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna eat with my fingers. With my hands.
A me sembra che non basta una chiucchiaiata.
Almost gonna dance.
Bye! Kain po tayo, guys! Wada? Well, I'm gonna get the big one. No, this one.
Ooh, gravy!
Guys, how crispy is? Kusabay, ila. Isabel is in the middle.
The last time it was spicy, the gravy.
See, Mama Mia, Wada? Ooh, how juicy! Wait, gravy also? Isabel, wala gravy, baby.
Put some there.
Ikaw, baby. Dai, mangia te.
The wings.
Mamma mia. Huh?
So crispy.
Mamma mia. Better than the 7 euro there, huh? I paid only this one.
Te l'avevo detto di non comprarlo.
No.
But it's so hot.
The rice is from last night. I just warmed it up.
But it's the same.
Isabel eating alone, ano?
I like the gravy. It's my part more yummy with the chicken.
Ano yan? Don't put that one. You cannot eat that. There, Wada. Tignan nyo, guys. 10 minutes of cooking ng ano, pero wala po kayong makikitang dugo kasi ang ano lang talaga niyan, ang technique niyan. Technique niyan is dapat mainit na mainit yung iyong mantika. Mamma mia.
Caldo.
It's really like the one in the KFC, anak, or the Jollibee, no? Huh?
Yeah.
Not good for you. Oh!
Oh my god.
No good, gas.
There's not enough
This Coca-Cola has been already how many? This is not good for you. Let me try, Isabel. Aqua? Aqua only. Give me aqua, anak.
Michael.
That's not nice, lagi. This is not good for you. Very little, okay? Dai. Asaja.
Buona.
Very bad. Test.
Buona.
Mama mia, Asia is all covered. They're all covered.
Fai.
Cosa?
Metti le mani nella coca.
Michael, move a bit. Michael, I cannot see you in the camera. I think for kami serious. Mama mia, it's really good. The gravy was really good, anak. Huh? And the gravy, I didn't have the things that I coat here, no? I use, that's what I did the gravy.
Oh, with the fries. Oh.
Same, the one I coat here.
Oh, that's why it's very yummy.
And I just add the butter and, of course, the water. And a little bit of what's it called?
Sorry, no?
Mamma. Tu prima lavoravi in KFC, ecco perché sai cucinare il pollo.
Baga, sabi ni Michael. Kasi dati daw nagtatrabaho ako sa KFC, kaya daw magaling ako magluto ng chicken.
Mama, you cook in KFC?
No.
order.
I do only burgers, chicken, and
That's why you know to do the chicken.
I am all around. I do cashier, I do the pantry, I
Oh.
do bashing, remove all the plates that people eat. I carry very, very heavy things.
That's what.
They even told me that I might not have a kids, baby, because I always carry
But
heavy
now
things.
you have 3 kids.
They told me, oh, you are better.
You're young. Huh?
When I was working at KFC, I always got the award because I was really good in bashing things. I were really fast. Kung kulang kaming cashier, kinukuha ako o kaya kulang sa pantry. Tapos minsan naghuhugas kami ng mga
Dov'è l'acqua?
plato. Tapos naglilinis ng mga greaser.
Dov'è l'acqua?
Sabi,
Can you give me? Ah, sì, mi passi
"Wala
l'acqua.
ako, ha?
Passi l'acqua.
Aqua, bebe. Okay, open mouth.
Para la mamma.
Yeah, open mouth.
Mamma.
Actually.
Aqua per Isabel.
È pieno.
Yeah. Michael is full, guys.
Too much rice, subito. Michael kasi when Michael like it, he eats very fast.
Ma che è?
And get a full subito. Quick. Tocante. The skin? No. No pace?
Guys, if you want it, call my mom and then ask her to do your chicken.
Really yummy, guys. Wow.
If you are in the Philippines, why
How
you
is it, Isabel? Show them, how is it? I am in the
Mama, if
Philippines.
you are in the Philippines, why you doesn't open your own KFC?
We're gonna open our restaurant.
Yes, I can do
Filipino-Italian.
KFC.
We're gonna open Italian-Filipino restaurant now, guys. Then, we're praying for that, okay?
And what we can cook, what everybody wants from every Italian.
Babe, ini deh. Ah, bones! Isabel, give me bones. Bones daw. Give berapa? Babe, you see Marcelo side? I know. She said, I know. So, yan lang naman, guys. What can you say about that thing? Sana? How is it?
It's very yummy.
It's really yummy, guys. You cannot see
I can't wait the next time we're gonna eat.
You cannot see any blood. And we still have that one. Wow.
We still have 2.
This is for the crocante.
If Daddy's here, Daddy's gonna eat
This
this.
is for
food.
dad. Because that one is supposed to be for daddy.
But Daddy's not here. He's in the Philippines.
I'm so full.
Also me.
Wow. Ay! Enough gravy na, anak. Enough. Ay, no. The gravy, I didn't put any salt. It's just the coating that I use in my chicken. So, yun lang naman, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. So, hopefully,
Please like, share, and subscribe.
next vlog ay makapagluto ulit tayo ng Filipino food. Actually, Tony likes naman to eat everything Filipino, anak, no? Kaso,
But not
he doesn't like that much when it's
fried.
fried. Yeah. But which is
Well, but
Which
he
is-
said it's not. Sometimes he said he's
Not
not
healthy.
gonna eat, but then he eat.
but because fried is not healthy, anak. Sometimes it's okay, but every day, no?
Yeah.
That's why ito yung dahilan pang long life. Sa Pinas, ito yung dahilan sa atin kasi mostly, ating mga pagkain ay mostly fried, no? Mga kinakain natin, mga fried. And kaya, di mahaba yung ating buhay, karamihan sa atin. So, yun lang naman, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you liked our video, please like, share, and subscribe! Bones. We're gonna remove the bones.